Heavy is the aura of an unfinished project. Do you have a project that's just been sitting there collecting dust, giving you the side eye every time you pass by? I started this project on the year of 1996. Kidding. 6 months ago is more like it. Wait, this one start. There you go. I made most of the pieces and it's in this box for safekeeping. I made potion bottles, Dr. Buds bandages, tubes of herbs, sachet of teas, charts, and some more. Although I'm rethinking this one, so I made a new one, Aqua Fortis. I made another mistake of using PVA glue to stick it to card paper. So I redo it using paper glue. What do you know? To glue papers, you do need paper glue. Got it? Fold it. Glued it together. Hey, it's harder to film in frame, okay? Take one piece of toilet paper, cut it in half because we're on a budget here. Fill it in. Fold it. Ta-da! Glued at the back, obviously. I initially want to paint this dark green, apothecary herbs. Then I noticed that most of the pieces are green, so purple it is. But you know how you change your plan last minute and thought it's fine, it's gonna be fine, but then midway you just dump every decision you made, and you told yourself to trust the process, but you don't even know what you want. Yeah. So I slept on it and decided the purple needs to be darker. I made another attempt at masking. If you never watched my forestation video, I sucked at it. But you won't be good if you never try doing it, right? So here we go. By the way, ignore my messiness. It's an aesthetic. A crafter's aesthetic, if you may. Let's see how we're doing without masking. I proceeded painting Flora's pattern. Even using zero size brush, I cannot manage to make a thin line. And like the universe mocking me, that night I saw on TikTok a guy paint an eyelash so perfectly. How? Nevertheless, I persevere and just kept on painting. This is a laser cut of the store sign, Ochre's Apothecary. I paint them yellow to make them stand out among the purple. I kept the leftover of the laser cut, used them as template to make the letters even when placing them. Ta-da! And oh, the sign frame. After it dried, I took them out. Believe me, it was harder than it looked. Then continued on with the apothecary layers. I felt like the painted flowers weren't vibrant enough to stand out until I had the genius idea to double paint with colored pencil. Since the base is chalk paint, it's possible to get the pencil's colors to stick and pop. And then dry brushing with a very slight difference of color of the base, very subtle and not so subtle applied. And And voila, look at how worn the display becomes. Here's the result of the frame. Added those box and shelf on the bottom left. Now, display time. I just need to arrange them. So what do you think? Not bad after a long hiatus, huh? If you like this video, please consider subscribe, like, and comment. I'll see ya!